Ever wanted to add a clean professional button to your WordPress site, but without messing with plugins? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it fast, flawlessly, and with zero extra tools. First, open your browser and head to WordPress. In the top right corner, click Login. When the login page appears, choose Continue with Google. Select the Google account you use to manage your site, and WordPress will log you in automatically. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. Click Edit Site. This option takes you straight into the site editor where you can control the layout and features of your pages. Inside the editor, you'll see your site listed. Click on it to enter the editing environment. Now you're in the place where all the visual changes happen. To add a button, go to the top left corner and click the plus icon. This is your block inserter, the tool you use to add new elements to your site. In the search bar that appears, just type button. From the results, select buttons. WordPress will immediately place a default button block onto your page. As soon as it appears, a set of editing tools shows up above the button. And this is where the built-in editor really shines. You can change the button text to your call to action, adjust the color to match your site branding, align it left, center, or right, tweak spacing and layout without touching any code. Every change you make updates instantly in the preview. No need to refresh or install anything. This built-in functionality fully replaces the need for a plugin, and you maintain complete control over design and performance. After you're happy with the look and placement, your button is ready to go. You've just added a fully functional, customizable button using only WordPress's native tools. If this helped you simplify your workflow, stick around. There's more WordPress magic coming your way without the plugin overload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.